everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am excited to show you a couple of new items I have in my Etsy shop, starting with this smaller sized journal. And it's basically a blank journal. It has a lot of different types of blank pages in it for writing and drawing, sketching, that kind of thing. And it's on the smaller side. It's 6 1/16 inches by 4 3/4 inches. So it's just a cute little journal you could tuck in your handbag or just put on a shelf for doing things like having a happiness journal or a gratitude journal or writing down little quotes, that kind of thing. I thought this would be really good for that because of its kind of smaller size, and you can just take it with you. And it's not super chunky. It has 3 signatures in it. And I'll show you this picture. I was inspired by this recipe card here. I like to do a lot of kind of 70s style, late 60s, early 70s style designs in my junk journals. And I love these recipe cards from the 60s and 70s. And for some reason, kind of the yellow tone of this inspired me along with the fabric that I had chosen to make this journal. So I thought it all kind of went together really well. And so I just kind of let it take me along and let me kind of design it just following along with this inspiration card here. I used mostly October afternoon papers in it for the signatures. Like I said, there's 3 signatures, and I'll just kind of take you through really quick. This is kind of a softer, or like a thinner book board. It's a little more flexible, and I covered it in this yellow floral material. And then just to reinforce the corners, I added these little metal book corners here. And then you open it up, and I just have a little bit of decoration inside here with some October afternoon paper. And then in this next page, I made a little pocket, and I included this. This was a fun find I got at a antique thrift store. And it's a telephone directory from when kind of phones first came out. And yeah, it says important date to remember, June 16th, 1957. And it talks about how you can use how to make a local call and do all kinds of things with your telephone. And it's actually a little address book in here. So I thought this would be fun for whoever gets this journal to, you can write down people's names, like favorite people you want to have their phone numbers with, or, I don't know, anything you want to do. But I just thought it seemed to go with this. So I just tucked it in here as like a little treasure that you can keep and kind of put your own thing in there. And then I have just some vintage ledger paper for a couple of the pages. Each signature is the same. It's got a couple of the vintage ledger papers, and then it has some dot grid paper, which these are always nice. I think people like to use this for drawing or bullet journaling. You can use it for that. And then I have some lined journaling paper too. Each signature has, I think, 13 pages in it. So actually, well, no, it's more than 13. It would be 13 one side and then 13 the other. So there's quite a few pages in it. And they all have the same pages. And then within the book itself, on the different signatures, I just added a couple little treasures. A little envelope here you can put some mementos in, and then the recipe card. And then this is a cute little card, which I'll be talking about in a minute, that I just found when I was in a thrift shop. I just thought the colors went really well with the journal. And then another signature here, and then it's just a vintage coaster, and then a little journaling card here that you can add some more things to. And that's October afternoon. I think I used the farmhouse collection. I thought the colors went really well. So a lot of this paper is from the farmhouse and maybe Fly a Kite. So I've got just more extra pages in here. And then in the end, there's just a little pocket that I made with just a little journaling card here. And I just decorated it with some trim. This is some really cute trim I found in a thrift store. And I just love the colors, the greens and the yellows. I just thought this was so cheerful. And then on the back, I added a little charm with a little hook right here. And this is a charm. I can't remember where I got this charm. I think I got it in a little Etsy shop package from one of the cute little vintage shops. And then I just added I had this little daisy button I thought would go really well. And then just a couple of little little charms here, but you could even change out the charms if you have something else you want to use. This is just a little safety pin you can unhook and kind of add your own things or change it, whatever you want to do. But I don't know, I thought this was just a fun little journal, and I'm going to have this available in the shop. So let me know if you have any questions about this. You can leave them in the comments below. And then next up, I wanted to show you a couple of new vintage card sets that I am going to be putting up. This one is Bonnie Blossom. I've never heard of Bonnie Blossom before. I guess she's from the 70s. It's kind of like just a cute, they have different themed card sets with this little character on it. This one seems to be kind of like a staying at home type theme. So this I'm going to have as a set of 5, and it's got the matching envelopes with it, and the envelopes have a nice kind of patina to it. So they're really nice, but they're in really good condition. And they're just little friendly little note cards. This one says, "What's cooking?" And she's got the cute little flowered hat on there. Just get well wishes from the heart. That's where all nice wishes start. So just cute little sentiments inside. And there she is. She's knitting. Couldn't let this day go by without sending you a friendly hi. And then I found a friend when I found you. Never too busy to say hello and send happy thoughts to the best friend I know. And then feeling better. Good for you. That shows my wishes have come true. Hurry and get well. So just some really cute, kind of happy sentiments in there. I thought this was a nice little card set. Really great for journals, adding to your, if you're looking for something kind of different to add to your junk journals, these would be a fun little addition. Then I have these sets of baby greeting cards. So for a new baby, and I just thought these were so beautiful. I'm going to have them in sets of 5. They don't have any envelopes to go with them, so you're just going to get the card itself. But I'll just show you some of the fronts. They're just so intricate. Just the designs are gorgeous. And, I don't even think you need to have a baby-themed journal for it. It's just the colors and it's just the beautiful graphics. They just have a very sweet look to them. So I thought these were fun. And some of them even are signed inside and have like maybe little notes and things. So they just have really beautiful sentiments, beautiful decorations inside. So I'll just show you really quick what each of them look like. Best wishes to baby and you, a cute little, it's like a baby crib train. And then little writing inside. This is so cute. This is like one of my favorites. Just the little baby tucked in the gigantic. I don't think we have things like this anymore for our kids, but I think this would be so fun. Just this really extravagant baby bassinet with this tiny little thing inside. Is so cute. But then just a sweet little sentiment. Just so pretty. And then this is cute with the little lambs and the bunny. And then another really pretty sentiment. All cute little pictures inside. The colors are great for floral junk journals. You get really pretty flowers around here for baby. I love this purple too. This lavender color is so pretty. Cards were just so beautiful a long time ago. And I'm not sure what the year is. It's got to be somewhere around the 50s. These are very old. And then this is the other set. I'll have the two different sets available. So just baby has arrived. I thought that's really pretty. And then congratulations. Just more really pretty sentiments inside. And then a little stork. And I love this like little silver border here. And some of them have, they're kind of, you can unfold them too, so you can kind of tuck more things inside. So, oh, this one actually doesn't. Oh yeah, no, it does. Well, does it unfold? Yes. Yeah, it does unfold a little bit. So you could tuck something, you make like a little pocket here and tuck something inside. Congratulations, Mother and Dad. Another cute little, oh, this one has like a little interactive. So they were doing interactive cards way back when. And then this is so cute. Best wishes to Mother, Dad, and Baby. And just another cute little window card. And that little baby and the little rosebud. It's so cute. So just some fun cards. I just thought it's something different for the shop. I never seen these. I don't have any baby cards. I got quite a few of them, and I saved a few for myself too because I thought they were really pretty. But I just thought I'd add them to the shop too because I just love the colors. So these are available right now in the shop. The 2 sets of baby cards, the Bonnie Blossom cards, and the floral mini journal. So let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.